The 17th week of 1991.
Playhouse Video presents a home video preview. She's had more birthday parties than any kid in history.
I'm not a kid, I'm a girl, and today is my birthday.
She's lost more parents than any star in the movies.
Daddy, aren't I ever going to see Mommy again? I won't believe it. He isn't dead. He isn't. You mean my mother cracked up too?
Yes. She's been called.
Molly.
Here comes Star. Hello, Star.
She's just like a little princess, isn't she? That's what she is, a princess.
She's Curly Top, Shirley Temple, and she's back with an expanded collection. 9 new films to complete your Shirley Temple library.
Oh, it's the best. It's the best ever.
1989 is the year to celebrate the magic of Shirley Temple. All the songs.
Good morning, nature hunts when morning comes along.
Dance and charm that made her the most collectible star ever. The collection begins with the best classic Shirley Temple films. America's Depression year gloom is cast aside as the nation joins Shirley in Stand Up and Cheer.
After he's out throughout the nation, the people are happy again. We're out of the red.
Next, Shirley's dancing her way into everyone's heart and onto everyone's rooftop in Baby Take a Bow.
Come on, baby. Take a bow.
Mother's going away for a little while. And when she comes back, she won't be married to Daddy anymore.
Will you be married to, Mommy?
Running away to escape the breakup of her family, it's Our Little Girl.
Someday I'm going to fly. I'll be a pilot too.
Shirley's in for high-flying adventure and down-to-earth fun in Bright Eyes. And it's off to the rugged coast of Maine to fight a wicked truant officer.
Oh, please, Dad, don't let them take me away.
Why are you waiting? Take her. Come on, bud.
Join Shirley in Captain January. Next, it's Far Eastern Adventure.
You see, the colonel's never had any little girls around. All he understands is soldiers. So I decided to be one. Then maybe I like me.
It's About Face, Forward March, for Rudyard Kipling's Wee Willie Winkie, screenplay by Ernest Pascal and Julian Josephson, directed by John Ford.
This little girl was the only survivor of the Wagon Train.
The Wilds of Canada sets the stage for a tale of war and peace. Randolph Scott is featured in Susanna of the Mounties. Is there a bluebird of happiness?
Oh, what a stupid girl you are. Don't you know that the bluebird means happiness?
Shirley sees the light and follows it to the end of the rainbow in The Bluebird.
My wish is that my father will come back just soon.
War tears a family apart.
I've had enough of it. You must realize once and for all that your father is dead.
Don't you say that. He's not dead. He's not. And you can't stop me from looking for him either.
And Sarah searches for her missing father in the turn-of-the-century classic, The Little Princess. And that's not all. Add these new films to the list of already released Temple classics. Dimples, Curly Top, Heidi, Just Around the Corner, The Little Colonel, Little Miss Broadway, The Littlest Rebel, The Poor Little Rich Girl, Rebecca of Sunnybrook Farm, and Stowaway. It's the best of Shirley Temple.
That's the most wonderful thing I've ever seen.
The complete collection, specially packaged to complement any video library. So sail off on the good ship Lollipop with the Shirley Temple Video Collection, only from Playhouse Video. Check your local video store for details. And now, our feature presentation.
Hold on. There we go. That's better.